Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Recently, I've been trying to go to bed earlier, and it was originally pretty hard, but I think I successfully adjusted my sleep schedule. So if you want to go to bed earlier and get enough sleep, this is the video to watch. Now, let's get straight into the video. Also, as a side note, I'm recording this outside because it's really loud in my house right now, and it's below freezing outside. The first thing I did was go to bed earlier. Originally, when I did this, I didn't really know what the best method was to do it, so I went to bed a whole 1 hour and 15 minutes before I usually do. Of course, I couldn't fall asleep, and when I checked the time, it was already 11:30 p.m. However, if you want to wake up earlier but still get enough sleep, you'll have to sleep earlier. A tip I have for when you're trying to fall asleep is to listen to calming sounds, like, for example, rain. I use the app Rain, which basically is an app where you can set a timer for how long you want to hear your chosen sound, but you can also put multiple sounds together and edit it to make your own sound. For me, I combined Rain on a Tent, Rain Original, and Thunderstorm. I messed around with some of the settings to make it sound better for me, but you can combine your own sounds and add your own settings. Another tip for going to bed earlier is to change the time you go to sleep slowly. It's easy to push back sleep, but it's not nearly as easy to sleep earlier. The best way is to adjust it by 15 minutes every 3 days, but this is the quickest time you could do it. So for example, if I wanted to go to bed 1 hour earlier, I would have to adjust my sleep for at least 12 days. This year, I've set some rules for myself when going to bed. Some of them are 1. No going to bed later than 11:30, and 2. No phone in bed. If I want to use my phone, I'll have to get out of bed, and this rule is most important at night. These rules help me adjust to sleeping and basically tell my body that it's time to sleep. Now, I naturally get tired when it's close to 11 p.m., and I know that it's time to sleep. Going along with this, I recommend you make a night routine so that your body realizes ahead of time when it's time to wind down. Finally, make sure to keep your sleep schedule consistent. There should be no exceptions, even if it's holiday, even if you don't need to wake up early, or if you don't feel like doing it. Continuing through with a habit is very easy, but starting one isn't, so if you were to stop, it would be really hard to get back into the habit. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. We're really close to 250 subscribers now, and if you subscribed, it would get us closer, and it would make me very happy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!